Hello everyone. My name is Cade and welcome back to AI Insights. Today we're exploring some of the most underrated commands you can ask a chatbot. If you're like most people, you probably only use chatbots for simple tasks like setting reminders or asking for the weather. But did you know that there's so much more these AI-powered tools can do? That's right. Chatbots have come a long way, and today we're going to show you some of their best-kept secrets. Let's start with one of the most surprising commands you can ask a chatbot. Did you know that you can ask them for interesting facts about any topic? That's right. Chatbots are like virtual encyclopedias, and they're always up to date with the latest information. Just ask them, what are some interesting facts about a topic? And they'll provide you with a wealth of knowledge in just a matter of seconds. Another underrated command is the ability to summarize articles, books, and even news stories. Whether you're short on time or just don't feel like reading an entire article, chatbots can help. Just ask them to summarize an article, a book, or a news story, and they'll give you the gist of it in no time. Chatbots can also help with language translation. If you're traveling abroad and need to translate a phrase or sentence, simply ask the chatbot to translate a specific phrase or sentence into whatever language you'd like, and they'll do the rest. This is a great tool for anyone who wants to communicate with others in a foreign language. If you're interested in learning about the differences between two concepts, chatbots can help with that too. Just ask them, what are the differences between Concept 1 and Concept 2? And they'll provide you with a comprehensive comparison of the two. This can come in really handy when deciding which of the two brands you'd like to buy, or when settling an argument. Lastly, chatbots can also be creative. If you're in need of some inspiration, why not ask them to generate a poem about a specific topic? Just ask them to generate a poem about whatever topic you'd like and they'll surprise you with their literary skills. This is a good way to inspire creative thinking, or to simply get your haiku assignment out of the way. And that's a wrap for today's episode of AI Insights. We hope you enjoyed these underrated commands for chatbots. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, be sure to leave a comment below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Cade, out.